JLG Industries presents Operator Introduction on JLG Rotating Telehandlers. Training is the first step towards qualifying an operator to operate any rough terrain forklift. The operator must not operate the machine until they have read and understood the operation and safety manual, achieved proper training, and have met all of the operator qualifications outlined in your machine's operation and safety manual. The Operation and Safety Manual and AEM Safety Manual for rough terrain forklifts can be found in the storage compartment behind the seat and must be kept in the designated location when not in use. The manufacturer has no direct control over the machine's application and operation. The user and operator are responsible for conforming with good safety practices. JLG Training has adapted the four-step procedure to safe and proper use of all JLG equipment: workplace inspection, pre-start inspection, proper operation, and proper shutdown. As operators prepare to use any JLG equipment, they should take the time to follow this four-step procedure to safe and proper operation. At the beginning of each work shift or at the change of an operator, a pre-operational check and machine inspection must be performed to ensure proper operation of all systems. Only use appropriate handles and steps when accessing the cab. Always maintain 3 points of contact front-facing the machine when entering and exiting the machine. Inside the operator cab, you will notice various machine controls, features, and indicators. An LCD display on the instrument panel and a multifunction display provide the operator with various machine information. Some of the information displayed on the LCD display include, but is not limited to, the longitudinal movement indicator and anti-tipping icon, hand throttle, the drive mode icon, travel icon, and the current steering mode icon. In addition, your machine may be equipped with a transmission status icon, eco work function, and selectable drive mode status icons. On the multifunctional display, the home screen contains information required by the operator to use the vehicle. This information includes, but is not limited to, the selected attachment, the weight currently carried, the maximum transportable weight according to the attachment installation and machine working mode, the length of the extension, the degree of the rotation of the turret with respect to the undercarriage, the degrees of inclination of the boom with respect to the turret, the load height from the ground and the load distance from the machine's center. Upon proper startup of your machine, the telehandler will recognize the presence of an attachment automatically with the attachment automatic recognition system. When the hand icon appears, the operator has to confirm the equipped attachment, push the center VDC controller knob to select the attachment. The telehandler is equipped with an electronic anti-tipping device which provides the operator 2 different acoustic and visual warning signals regarding the vehicle's tipping status. The correct procedure to check if the device operates properly can be found in Section 4 of your machine's Operation and Safety Manual. Once properly checking the anti-tipping device, and in the event everything is working properly, it is possible to begin work. The double joysticks allow the operator to operate the vehicle's movements. The joysticks are equipped with a capacitive sensor and personnel presence button. It is possible to use the personnel presence button if the sensor fails to work properly. Unless you hold the joystick correctly or press the personnel button, all the joystick functions are disabled. Possible joystick functions for each joystick are listed in your machine's Operation and Safety Manual. Your machine may be equipped with a drive mode selection key. The drive mode selection key is used to change the machine's transmission and engine settings to suit the operator's needs. To change driving modes, first stop the machine, reduce engine speed, press the drive mode selection key, turn the knob on the VDC controller to move the yellow selection to the desired driving mode. Press the knob to select the drive mode setting. The yellow icon of the requested mode will flash until the conditions necessary for the machine to activate the working mode are met. If your machine is not equipped with a manual steering selector, use the steering selection key on the VDC controller to change between steering modes. Turn the knob to select the appropriate steering mode and press the knob to select. The turret rotation lock is a safety pin used to stop the movements of the turret in the position of alignment with the lower chassis. To unlock the automatic turret rotation lock, hold down the manual turret rotation lock switch and activate the features from the joystick. Use the thumb roller on the joystick, roll down to disengage the rotation lock, upwards engages the rotation lock. To correctly insert the rotation lock, place the load on the ground and lower and fully retract the telescopic boom. Align the turret to the lower chassis. An indicator light on the instrument panel will illuminate to indicate the turret is perfectly aligned to the chassis. The R11100 is capable of automatically locking the automatic turret rotation lock. Press the automatic turret rotation lock switch, and when prompted, grasp the joystick. At this point, the machine will automatically rotate the turret to 0 and lock the automatic turret rotation lock pin. To deploy the outriggers, first select each outrigger you wish to engage. Ensure the telescopic boom is lowered and fully retracted. The turret is aligned with the chassis and the telehandler is level prior to engaging the outriggers. Press and hold the manual outrigger button, move the right joystick forward to extend the beams of the outrigger feet. The outrigger status screen indicates the direction of the outrigger movement, percentage of the outrigger extension, and includes icons displaying when each outrigger has reached the ground. Move the left roller forward to lower the outrigger feet. The automatic flatness of telehandler on outriggers levels the machine on uneven ground when the machine is on outriggers. To activate the automatic levelness of the outriggers, extend the beams as much as possible. Press and hold the automatic flatness of telehandler on outriggers button. Use the VDC controller to select auto lower the outrigger feet and grab the joystick. Keep the button pressed and your hand on the joystick until the machine is properly leveled. Release the button or the joystick to stop the planetary procedure. To auto retract the outriggers, press and hold the auto outrigger enable switch and use the VDC controller to select automatic closing of the outriggers, then grasp the joystick. It is possible to set a limited work area for booms and turret movement in the limits window. To set a limit, take the telehandler to the limit position, select the desired limit with the VDC controller, press the knob to select. After setting a limit, the home window will show the active limit indicator light. During the working process, when a set limit is reached, the following indicator lights will be displayed. The bypass key must be used only if all of the following conditions occur. Turn and hold the bypass key and simultaneously use the joystick to return the machine to safe conditions. To use the remote control, the machine must be on outriggers, transmission in neutral, parking brake engaged, and with the forks lowered to the ground. Press the remote control button into position located on the high instrument panel to enable the remote control receiver. The engine will automatically shut down, and the vehicle should stay on without the engine running. Turn on the remote by switching the e-stop on and pressing the on-off button. The remote will emit an alert tone and the green indicator light will flash. Move the machine's on-off lever up and hold for 2 seconds. The engine should start. The telehandler can perform key movements such as boom and turret adjustments using the remote control. To power off both the machine and the remote control, simply turn off the machine from the ignition switch. A charger for the remote control battery is conveniently positioned beside the seat. In emergency conditions, the machine can be stopped using the emergency stop button. When pressed, the emergency stop button activates the power supply cutoff, resulting in a complete shutdown of the machine and any connected attachment. Reference Section 6 of your machine's operation and safety manual for emergency procedures and steps to be taken in case of an emergency situation during operation. To fully understand the purpose and function of each machine control and indicator, even experienced operators are required to read, study, and fully understand the contents of the machine's operation and safety manual. If you require further clarification on operating your machine, contact us at 1-877-JLG-SAFE. Other resources can be found online at JLG.com. Thanks for watching and have a safe day.